Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn new business. First, begin by identifying your personal interests and existing skill sets. This foundational step helps you align your passion with potential business ventures. Next, thoroughly research various industries to spot emerging trends and unmet market needs. Finally, clearly define your ideal target audience and understand their specific pain points and desires. This focused approach ensures your business idea has a strong, relevant foundation. Once you have a concept, dive deep into market research. Analyze your competitors to understand their strengths, weaknesses, and overall market positioning. Don't forget to gather direct feedback from potential customers through surveys or interviews. This provides invaluable insights. Consider developing a minimum viable product, or MVP, to test your core assumptions with real users before investing heavily. This iterative process helps validate your business idea effectively. Learning new business also involves continuous personal growth. Actively acquire any necessary business and technical skills that will support your venture, perhaps through online courses or workshops. Seeking mentorship from experienced professionals can provide guidance and accelerate your learning curve significantly. Furthermore, networking with peers and industry leaders opens doors to collaborations, partnerships, and crucial insights. Building these connections is vital for long-term success. Now it's time to put your plan into action. Develop a comprehensive business plan, including realistic financial projections and operational strategies. Once launched, actively gather customer feedback to understand what's working and what needs improvement. Be prepared to adapt and iterate based on market responses and new information. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Continuous learning and flexibility are key to navigating the dynamic business landscape and achieving sustainable growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.